Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great. So in today's video, I'm going to do a clean girl makeup look. So I hope this video will definitely help you, and this is on trend right now. And also if you are new here, then do not forget to subscribe my channel, like this video if you like, and you can follow me on my Instagram. The handle is right here, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that when I will upload a video, you guys will be notified. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So guys, first thing first, I have to prep my skin. First, it can be any makeup, so you don't need to do makeup without prepping. You have to prep your skin, and after that you can do your makeup. So first of all, I'm using this lip balm. This is by VAADI Herbals. You can see this is a very good lip balm. I'm using this from past, you can say 2 years maybe, and it's really nice and affordable as well. So guys, in the next step I will apply this moisturizer. So this is the CHIASEED moisturizer by the FACESHOP. Next step, you can conceal your under eye circles. So here I'm taking this Take Cover concealer by PAC. So it's a very good concealer, you guys. I just love this concealer. So guys, our concealer is done. Now I'm going to apply this foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and my shade is 220. So I'm going to take a little bit quantity of this foundation. So you can say this much is enough. Next, I'm going to mix a little bit of moisturizer or any serum you can mix. So today I'm going to mix this serum. So when you will mix any serum or any moisturizer, the foundation will become a little thinner, and also it will add a nice glow. This is a very matte finish foundation, so that's why I added a little bit of serum. The next step, I'm going to set the concealer and the foundation. So for that, I'm using this SK Beauty setting powder, and my shade is Banana. So next, we will start with our eyebrows. So we will do our eye makeup right now. So first of all, I'm just doing my brows. Here I'm using this ETUDE House eyebrow pencil, and it's a really nice eyebrow pencil. So my shade is dark brown. Guys, my eyebrows are done. Next, I'm going to pick this eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to select this transition shade and this one also. So just mixing it up, and I'm going to apply it on my crease. Next, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild brown kajal pencil. So I will apply this on my outer V, and I will create a nice and subtle wing. Next, I'm going to smudge this with my finger itself. You can clearly see, guys, this is looking very nice, and it is giving a smoky kind of effect, a soft smoky brown eye effect. So I'm just going to repeat the same with my this eye, then I'll be back. So guys, I'm done, and next I'm going to repeat the same step with this lower lash line. That's it. So guys, in the next step, I'm going to pick this Sugar highlighter palette, and you can see the colors, you guys. This is looking so pretty, and you will get 3 of these shades. Guys, for my eyes, I will take this one, this pink tone highlighter. So I will take it like very softly, you can see. Next, I'm going to apply it on my lid. In a dabbing motion, you have to apply so that it will look very subtle. That's it. Next, I'm going to pick this pencil brush, and I'm going to apply the same shade on my inner corners. So guys, my eye look is almost done. Now I'm going to coat my lashes with this mascara. So first of all, I will curl my lashes and then I'll apply mascara. next step, I'm going to apply this blush. So this is the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush and my shade is Mellow Wine. So this is a very pretty shade. You can definitely get your hands on this product. Guys, today I'm going to apply a fuller blushy look because my eyes are looking very muted, so for that blushy look is needed. Guys, next I'm going to apply this highlighter by Sugar Cosmetic. So now we are very close to the end. Now I'm going to apply my favorite lipstick. This is Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade CHEASTNUT. Next I'm going to use the same lip shade and I'm just gonna fill it because this is looking very nice with the eye look. So guys, we are done with our makeup and this is my final finished look. I hope you guys will definitely like this look. I totally love this look. You can go with this look with everywhere you want. This is looking so clean and very classy. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.